What's going on, everyone? In this lesson, we're going to use the clone stamp tool to duplicate an item in our image. So let's get right into it. So how you use the clone stamp tool is you're going to hold Option, and that's going to let you select what you want to clone. So right now I'm going to clone this little boat, this little sailboat, and add another one on the beach here. So I'm going to go ahead and hold Option and click where I want to clone. So I'm going to click right in the middle of this boat. Now that I've done that, it's going to let me start coloring almost. So you're going to want to start coloring. And as you can see, if you look to the left of the left boat, it's going to show where it's cloning. And as you start dragging around, it's going to duplicate that object. So if you want to be very precise, you don't want to go unclone things that look fake. As you can see, I cloned that little boat, but I also got some of the blue water to the right of it, which doesn't look great. So we can go ahead and push Option, click in the sand, and fill in that little blue with sand. I mean, not that that looks super great, but that's how you would fix if you want to add more sand somewhere. If I wanted to add sand at the bottom of this tree, I could duplicate the sand right over it and get rid of this shadow. Well, let's select right here. And as you can see, as long as that little plus sign stays in the sand, it's going to duplicate sand. So I was able to get rid of that shadow as well as copy this boat using the clone stamp tool. So it can be pretty tricky to work with at first because you'll start to move around and that little part that you're duplicating is going to move too. And you can get stuff that you don't want duplicated, as you saw with the blue water to the right of that first boat. But it's you can always zoom in and fix and be very precise if you want, if that's what you're looking for. But if you're looking for a quick little duplication, as you can see, it's very, very, very easy. I duplicated this boat in pretty much 20 seconds. It really didn't take much effort using this clone stamp tool. So yeah, I hope you learned something and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye everyone.